Hi everyone, it's Lulu. I'm really excited to announce that I've made my first digital kit. And so I'm going to show you the original ones, the papers that I've made. And then I'll show you the printout, how they look on two different types of paper. So the first one page is this sort of floral one, and this is on normal copy paper, and this is on better quality paper. It's a bit thicker, and this is what they look like.
120 GSM.
And then I have this one that is more like pink, and Mummy gave me as a theme pink and green, and so I did this. And this is copy paper. This is how it looks like, and this is better quality paper. Then I did this one that is more of a musical theme, and that's what it looks like. And then I have this in copy paper. That's what it looks like, and then the better quality paper. Then there's this one that my theme was purple and yellow, so I decided to do a bit floral. I really like this one. And this is what it looks like with the two papers, copy and better quality. And then there's this one that I think I did a video of this one. That
was the Marguerite Miller challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is what I did. And then I have it in copy paper. No, this is the better quality paper. And this is the copy paper. That's how what it looks like. And then the last one is this one that I had another challenge of Marguerite, and that's what it is. I had shown it on video another time. And then there's copy paper, what it looks like, and better quality. I've made some tags as well, and these are the original tags. That's what they look like. Can they see? Check if I'm on screen.
Yep, you're on screen.
Okay, that's what they look like. I must say I really like these three. Those are my favorites. Even in the papers, those three are my favorites. And these is what they look like in copy paper, on copy paper. That's how they look like. And this is on better quality paper.
Okay.
So that's the digital kit.
That's the digital kit. So we'll just say most of the images, where they came from. Some of them are my own vintage embroideries that I have, and my own antique letters and ephemera that I've scanned. And then other things came from the Graphics Fairy, the little bit from the Old Design Shop, and the New York Public Library in the public domain. And then that, for example, that was from the Graphics Fairy, that one. Yep, so I think that's pretty much where they all came from. Yeah. Okay, so that's Lulu's first kit. She's super excited. I just want to say the majority of the proceeds will go to Lulu to save for her future. Is that right, Lulu?
Yeah.
I'm keeping just a small amount for Etsy fees and a tiny bit for the taxes. The rest of the taxes I will cover. So the majority of it's going to Lulu.
Yeah.
So she's very excited. So thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, guys. See you next time.
And we hope you enjoy and like Lulu's kits.
Yeah.
Kit. Pages. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching.
Bye.